If a book is true, it will find an audience that is meant to read it. Welly Lamb has rightly said this. Hi guys, my name is Sheikha and I'm serving SEO Discovery as a content writer. Nowadays, I'm reading this book, The Silent Patient. I am in love with this book. The title is so intriguing and it has all my heart. Same as with your audience too. You have to constantly write engaging content to hook them from the starting to the end. You can start with attention-grabbing headlines and connect with them via storytelling. This is just a form of writing. There are several ways by which you can enhance your writing skills. You can grab attention of your audience. There are some courses on Coursera that can enhance your writing skills. You can join HubSpot's certification course. You can enroll in Sanjay Shenoy's writing courses. All these are just the ways of enhancing your content writing skills. This video was all about sharing with you the ways via which you can enhance your content writing skills. And I hope this helps. If you want to learn more about content writing courses or how to enhance your writing skills, you can let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.